Hello, Dad. I decided to I'll give you an update on what my plants are doing right now. You know this installation already. We have some salad here. We have some tomatoes here. These are small bushy tomatoes I bought or pulled recently because in winter I seeded some tomatoes. I thought they were small and they're huge. And if you have huge tomatoes, you have to tend to be forced to cut them back at places, and then you don't get any flowers. That's not the case. I'll show you later. Here we have some lab lettuce that is still growing. This one is empty. That's where the ground cherries were. Since I'm going to add some salad soon. Right now it has a parsley. Here we have some chard that is being grown for, well, for us and the guinea pigs. And here's just some leftovers of other basically just everything just combined. In the nursery right now, we have some basil that is being that's pulled from cuttings. Right now, this is going to go in today too. And here we have some future lettuce. I hope it's not germinating very well, so I might need to get some new seeds. On the windowsill in the kitchen, we have some actually living parsley, some basil that's store bought because this one, this big basil here, is on the way down. I wanted to replace it already, but I didn't get a solid cuttings the last time. And here are just some leftover plants or flowers from spring. These are actually annual plants and they're going to die soon. Most of their siblings already died, so I repotted them here. And sometimes this one actually still had a flower right until a couple days, and so it created a new flower, which was kind of nice. And here in the hallway, I built this installation onto the wall, which is a bunch of green plants that are not super light sensitive. I also have some chard here in there. It's because this is kind of, there's not much to do here, but this wall gets sunlight while the rest of the hallway is kind of dark right now. And on the other side we have this here. I don't know what this is, but it grows like crazy. I got it from a friend. I have a mini rose that I'm trying to grow here because its flowers are always nice. And I have some ground cherries that I'm running. And they're growing like crazy. Here on the other side of the hallway, we have these glass gardens. Vivian likes glass gardens, and it's basically just a ecosystem that is fully enclosed. They're right now here because it's darker in winter, and in fall we put them into the sunlight, but right now they would be totally grilled. I almost killed this one because it was in the sunlight. And we have our other indoor ovens where all the small plants that right now are not on the windowsills get some sunlight or some artificial light. And and the cat likes to sit here. It's one of those places. Vivian put this up here just by chance because she was cleaning, and the cat went there. And now it's her favorite place, and we can't get her to away, so we're growing cats here. And in our living room, we have the two big plants, which is the tomato here, which is kind of huge. It's already trimmed down significantly. And in contrast to the last 2 years, this one actually runs. It produces fruit. Here's some one that are ripe. And up here we have some that are going to come. And we have lots of flowers, so this is actually running now. And here we have the jalapenos, and we have some many fruit, but some are ready to be picked and some are small. And so this year is going to be a relatively bountiful harvest. And this video wouldn't be complete without the cat, which is always grumpy. I hope you're doing fine, and I hope I'll see you soon.